Yo, what's up, bro? Nah, man, I'm probably meet you there like 9 o'clock, bro. Yeah, alright, I'll meet you at 9, bro. Where you going, bro? Man, chill, bro. Like, babe, for real, chill. I ain't going nowhere. Just gonna play some basketball. You ain't telling me you was going nowhere. You trying to sneak out the house? Nah, man. You trying to sneak out the house? Is you trying to sneak out the house? I ask you one more time. Was you trying to sneak out the house? Why would you leave without telling me? Why would you? You made me sick. See, I ain't got time for this. I'm most deaf could have got a perm today, boo. Man, what's up with you, man? Every time I want to go out somewhere, you act like it's a problem or something like that. Like, nah, I can't go nowhere. Like, for real, like, what you doing, bro? Like, every time I try to sneak out the house, play a little basketball, like I got a problem like that. Why you tripping, bro? Why you tripping? My nails ain't done. My clothes ain't washed. My bills ain't paid. Bye. I ain't got time for you. Go. I don't know what your problem is, man. Like, every time I go somewhere, I like somebody cheating on you or something, bro. Like, I ain't do nothing to you. Like, for real. Like, you go places everywhere, man. I'm gone, bro. I'm gone. I don't even care. I'm gone, bro. I don't even care. I don't care.
Kane, I got a bomb of good weed and ass Hennessy. A bunch of good times equals good